Health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
People often ask me, can I exercise in a fasted state? The short answer is yes, you can. You just have to be smart about it. Stick to light or medium effort activities if you fasted. Resistance bands, gentle cardio, walking, cycling. Heavy lifting or sprints, probably best not to try those whilst you're still in your fasted state. Make sure you've eaten something beforehand. Hydration is huge, so have water before you move. I tend to add sea salt or Himalayan salt to my water before I start doing any exercise. It helps me avoid that headachy, dizzy feeling. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start small. 10 to 15 minutes of walking would be a good place to start. Build it up slowly so you don't crash. Listen to your body. If you feel weak or you feel lightheaded, wait until you've had something to eat and your fast is finished before you start trying to exercise. Morning workouts work well if you're fasting. Your body naturally burns fat then. Even a quick stretch or some gentle yoga will get your energy levels up. And strength training doesn't have to be heavy weights. It could be some squats, it could be some push-ups, it could be something gentle where you're using your body weight. If you are peri or menopause or post-menopause, then gentle exercises like yoga, Pilates can work really well for you. Brilliant for hormones and moods. Keep recovery in mind. Get your protein in first after you've broken your fast. Help that muscle repair and help you feel fuller and give you more energy. So today I'm on day 12 of this first initial 14-day keto and intermittent fasting. Don't know why I'm struggling with that word today. Cycle, and I did some simple arm resistance band workout this morning, and that's really helped me feel that I've done a bit of a workout today, and I'll be walking my usual at least 7,000 steps. And I felt fine doing those because I'd hydrated well beforehand.
Just to remind, I'm following 2 meals a day, generally lunch and dinner, and 2 snacks on this keto diet, one pudding and one snack or 2 snacks.
Kept it moderate, and I know that I'm going to break my fast by having something protein based for my first meal. Scrambled egg, veg with butter through it. Yum. So yes, you can definitely exercise whilst you're fasting. Just keep it light to moderate. Hydrate well, start small, and save the harder stuff for when after you've eaten. You'll get the benefits without the crash. Comment below and tell me what exercise you find is easy for your body to do when you're in a fasted state. I'd love to hear.
End of days 12, feeling good.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.